Hello everyone! Kumusta? Jesus Emporium here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much, Journal. Vintage purse that come very well done. Heavy duty material.
Wow.
Look at this. No? So this is a new company that reached out to me named Journal/Vintage Purse Company. Thank you so much for reaching out on me and welcome to my channel. And in return to that, I will be doing an appreciation video, which is I am now doing. I will do an unboxing and I will do a review of my personal thought opinion, and of course I will do a try on outdoor to try this on. All right, so a little bit information about this company, guys. This is another online store in the market that carries replica luxury product, okay, such as purses, bags, clothes, a lot of accessories, guys. So all the information is below in the description video. I will have some of their samples, so at least you have an idea of what product they are selling in the market, okay? So I will give you a few eyesight of what product they are in their catalog. And if in case you can find their product in the catalog, guys, you can reach them out through WhatsApp. I have here the information. Email them too. I have here. And guys, you can use my discount coupon. Okay, this company is very generous to me, guys. They give me a 20% discount. Can you imagine that? You can use my coupon Hazel 3LK, 20% off from your purchase, and that will help lessen the amount of figures, and that can put something on our table, right? So I know inflation is here big time, but that doesn't mean we have to stop not to go shopping. We have to continue that because that it feels great when we give a gift to ourselves. It really does. So please go check online and go a gift for yourself, guys, and use my coupon Hazel 3LK, 20% off automatic. That will help. So, what are we waiting for? Let's jump into the unboxing, okay? And please see me there and in my try-on. Thank you. Alright, let's do the unboxing here, okay? And again, please careful in using sharp objects, okay? Thank you. Okay, let's take this off. Oh, right. And this too. Everything is protected. Well done, Journal. All right, so look at this. Still have one here. So what I'm saying is the lock is super heavy duty, Okay, guys, the lock is super heavy duty, guys, with the engraved name on it. Can you see that? I hope you can, right? Oh my goodness. So locks works perfectly. And oh, look at this. Heavy duty lock, right? So this one has to connect here. Okay? So let's check here. And see, this is what I love this too. Very heavy duty. Right? And this has an adjustment, of course, depending on your length. Okay? This can be adjusted up to here. So this is pretty good. And this is unisex. Okay? And let's check. I have, oh, very protected. I got one pocket here, which is deep. Can you see that? So deep from my wrist up to here. That's how deep the pocket is. Let's check inside. Everything looks perfect, guys. See the stitches. And look at this. Name. And let's proceed inside, okay? Oh, you hear the zipper. You notice that, right? And I got this one here. Now we have one pocket inside. Oh, you can have a wallet here. It's either long, like horizontal kind of wallet, and square kind of wallet. Phone is here. This looks like small, but this has room. Generous room inside though, with a pocket on it, and the pocket has a sailed name. Okay, I hope you can see that clearly. And the material here is heavy duty. I don't know what kind of material this is, but this seems like a very heavy duty material. Can you see that kind of material inside? Very, no? Oh, so let's try. Okay. Ah, you hear that? Zipper, slide perfectly. Smooth, guys. Smooth. No? Oh my God. Okay, so let's proceed. So, what do you think? Ah, guys, the material is super, like heavy duty material though. Who could tell that this is a class A? See? This is so beautiful. The material is super heavy duty. Let's double check the handle, guys. Can you tell me how heavy duty this is? Very heavy duty, I'm telling you. So I have here, I got a name on it, cropped it, and check, guys, check, double check. See how heavy duty this is? Very well done. Check. Stitches are in line. Roomy though, this is generous. I can put my slanting like vertical, horizontal wallet. Can also square wallet fit here, phone and stuff. You know, the everyday good to go stuff is fit here. And as I've said, heavy duty material. Look at this, no? Very. I got one pocket outside, okay, and I got one inside too. Very generous, no? So, what are you waiting for? You can use my coupon, Hazel 3LK, 20% off, guys. Isn't it so generous, right? 20% off is very helpful to our economy. I know inflation is here big time, but that doesn't mean we have to stop not to go shopping. We have to do that still because this is our fashion and it feels great when we give a gift to ourselves. Okay? So please go check the website. It's about time for you to give a gift to yourself. I've been telling this always all the time. Summer is here. This is perfect for this summer. In any occasion, really, actually, this is perfect for a everyday activities. This is very awesome. Thank you so much, Journal VintagePurse.com, for giving this to me. This is very beautiful. Thank you so much. I am super in love, love this one. Okay, let's go to our try on outdoor to this.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's on